Mes amis, en direct, pendant ma fête sport comme ça, heureusement pour moi, côté moyen pas tombé. Mais gros tremblement de terre qui peut passer au Kaila. Pour que tu te calmes, pour ça, c'est équivalent de 12 janvier. Merci bon Dieu que ça va tomber. Wouh! Moi, ça me fait, me courir, mal comme le vent qui est écrasé, parce que moi, je ne vais pas écraser, puis bah toujours. Mais, bah, yo du. Donc, moi-même, moi bien, même bon, on a rien encore.
What's up, my beautiful people? Wagwan. If everybody good up, everybody alright. I'm talking about if you're watching this video, because as you can see right now, the Haitians, them not good one bit. Make sure you have them in your prayers, my people. Make sure you pray for them. However, people, we're going to discuss what really are going on. As you can see, the Haitians under another earthquake attack. So we're going to talk about that, people. So stay tuned. In the meantime, just remember to do the right thing. You know the thing of people. Like, share, subscribe, do the right thing. If you know somebody with the content might have value to them, just copy it and send it to them, people. Stay tuned.
Mes amis, en direct, pendant ma fête sport comme ça, heureusement pour moi, côté moyen pas tombé. Mais gros tremblement de terre qui peut passer au Kaila. Pour que tu te calmes, pour ça, c'est équivalent de 12 janvier. Merci bon Dieu que ça va tomber. Wouh! Moi, ça me fait, me courir, mal comme le vent qui est écrasé, parce que moi, je ne vais pas écraser, puis bah toujours. Mais, bah, yo du. Donc, moi-même, moi bien, même bon, on a rien encore.
Ça peut me connaître. Ok. C'est que Kai ça tombe net. Nous avons remarqué que ça tombe net. Ok. Quand ça tombe net, ok, ça soit facilement. Ok, Kai ça, nous avons.
Pour le moment, pile cas écrasé au cas. Bon, certainement, il y a pile monde qui blessé dans l'arrière, un pile mouvement aller-retour et comme ça va aller. On va demander d'avoir fort.
Alright, my people. Thanks for staying tuned. So yeah, today we have a very sad topic to talk about this time. So at this very moment, we have to lend our prayers to the Haitians. Then we'll go through the wrath once more. Because as we know, this is another devastating earthquake. I'm sure we have persons here who will go through it for the first times, where them never old enough if you remember, or if you know, or never born yet when the first one happened. But pretty sure it's enough of these persons I got through this for the second time, where the earthquake, the devastating earthquake before, them go through it, and now them have to repeat that all over again. Because I remember vividly like it was yesterday, when the Haitians they go through an earthquake like this. And come on, people, it's sad. It's a very sad times. As you can see the pictures them on your screen, it just heart wrenching, and we just have to lend our prayers to them, right? However, people, even though we are send with sincere, how do I put it now? A sincere hand to them and a support to them, we still want to talk about the statistics and what really go on. It is a 7.1 magnitude earthquake, and it Haiti and of course Caribbean countries get the aftershock, the tremors. I'm from Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican, and I tell you, me never feel the earthquake directly, but I see bully persons in my contact, I post up and I say, hey, look, them feel it. And check news media, I say them feel it. Like right after we say we feel it, we think it was just tremor. You see, the news media start put out things and I say, oh, earthquake, mash up Haiti once more, and all of that. I'm like, whoa, this is this is sad. I mean, if you see this happen to a country twice, not only once, it's the second time something like this happen. We just have to take our time out and just send out prayers to them and just say, oh, have a support. And of course, because you remember, man, it did take them a very long time to overcome the last one. Because persons, you have to send out funds. I remember in high school, because I was in high school at the time, my high school, they gather up some stuff, you donate some stuff, and, them send it off, and the JDA soldier, them go over there, our Jamaica Defense Force soldier, them go over there, and assist where them can. Persons from all over the world chip in and assist where them can. I know. And of course, in at times like this, it must be a troubling times because your family member, see them probably covered under rubble. You wonder whether them alive or them dead, or the thing of people. So it is a troubling time right now. Just have to say, just wish for the best, because at this very moment it's just safe to say, whoever survive it, just have to pray so them strong enough and spray them strength for just hold on people and just don't give in to the fight. That's all we can say, people. Right? However, people, this is just a chip off of the iceberg, and as soon as more information is provided or is released to the public, because again, at the time when I record this video right now, is just minutes ago, the earthquake happened. Just to put it out so everybody can understand what really are going. So just stay tuned, people. And as soon as more information presents itself, I'm going to put it out to the public and we can have that. So just walk good for now. Remember to keep the Haitians in your prayers. Any form of support when support time comes around, we just have to chip in and help with neighbors. If you're from the Caribbean or from a Caribbean background, the thing go. Because again, me Jamaican, probably. If you're not live in Jamaica and you're probably out of they're in another country, you probably can pick up by the accent and such like that. Alright, people. So for now, if just like the video, share it, subscribe, do the right thing. Anybody with the content might be valuable to them, just